In today's digital world, integrating AI into your email marketing strategy can transform how you generate leads. AI email marketing tools help in understanding your audience better. These tools are able to analyze data to predict customer behavior and preferences. This means you can send personalized emails that are more likely to engage your audience. When people feel understood, they are more likely to respond positively. Lead generation becomes much smoother with AI on your side. These smart tools can help identify potential customers who are genuinely interested in what you offer. By creating effective lead magnets like free guides or templates, you can attract these prospects. A well-designed lead magnet template is key here. It's something valuable that you give away for free in exchange for an email address. Once you have their contact information, AI helps nurture these leads with tailored content that moves them through the sales funnel. List building also benefits significantly from AI integration. With intelligent algorithms sorting through countless data points, AI ensures you are adding quality leads to your list, not just anyone with an email address. This makes future campaigns not only efficient, but also more rewarding. You will reach out to individuals who already show interest in your services or products. In essence, by weaving AI into your email marketing strategy, you create a smarter and more effective approach to connecting with potential customers and growing your business. Click on the link below to see the lead creation tool that I use to create enough lead magnets to accompany my content, with included conversion tracking that can be tweaked on the fly. The tool allows me to focus on my marketing while handling all lead magnet catalogs in one neat package. You'll be amazed with what these tools can do for you. So go ahead and click on the link below to see more.